Hey everyone, so this is the brand new Amazon Fire HD8 Plus. We're going to do a quick unboxing here. These just came out actually yesterday, but mine was, well, this one I ordered a bit late. I also have the HD8, which will be a separate video for unboxing. Anyway, let's just get on into this. So this is, of course, the 2022 version. The last one was from 2020. The biggest thing now is, actually it's Dolby Atmos. But it has this hexa-core processor, which should be a lot better than what was in it. Was a quad-core, so we'll have to see. Also has wireless charging, of course. Micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM, just like the 2020 version. The non-plus only has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Still rocking the 8-inch, only HD, not full HD, 1280 by 800 display. Of course, has 2 really bad cameras on it. And then, of course, it has hands-free Amazon A on there. So I already ripped off the tape. I always like their packaging. It's nice and simple. And it works. Nothing else in there. I'm super excited about this because I use the 2020 version almost every day, mostly for YouTube watching. But I do use it still almost every single day. I switch between that and the HD10 Plus. So I feel like that's a bigger, this is like what you get with the HD10, so that's cool. Of course, you have your startup guide. Of course, now Amazon is trying to be more eco-friendly. It is USB Type-C. It is USB Type-C, so that is, of course, good, just like the last version. And, of course, get on into what we're all here for. So this is a little bit different looking. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that. That is cool looking. So Plus only comes in this color. I believe they're still calling it Slate. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's still just called Slate. Hopefully you guys can see the texture on it though. It has some really cool texture. And around the happy face is a smoother texture. That is really, really cool. And of course my fingerprints are over it. I was sitting outside for a moment until I picked it up from outside. So on top here we still have dual speakers. You have your power button, volume rocker, mic, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack. We have our up to 1 terabyte micro SD. And of course the bottom does not have anything. And then we have our camera right here. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. And then, of course, you have your camera in the back. And they're not the best cameras. The face, this one will do okay for video conferencing and stuff, but they're not really that great of cameras. Yeah, so that's just a very quick unboxing. Then here is the old 2020 version. Sorry about the fingerprints. I did wipe it off. They're just super fingerprinty. So they basically do look, of course, the same. But the back is definitely different. I really do like this new back. It's definitely a lighter color. I believe they're both called Slate. But it's definitely a lighter color and has a little bit of texture to it. I like that. This is a lot more smooth. So of course, like every year, they changed up a little bit of things. So volume rocker, power button, USB Type-C is in the same spot. The headphone jack is a little bit closer to the USB Type-C. Of course, they changed up things just a little bit. And then, let's see. Yeah, and they also changed up actually where the speakers are. This is rather annoying because now the old case is not going to fit it like it would, like it should. So it does fit it, it's just now you have, it's just a little bit different, I guess. So actually it does fit it. Camera, let's see if we get this right. Oh, you know what, it does fit, sort of. Oh no, I'm wrong, it does fit. Old case does fit the new one. That is awesome. That is amazing. I am really surprised at that, as this is my old one. This is my old case, as you guys can see the nastiness on it. That is really, really cool. I'm really surprised. Cool. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Whole bunch of videos will be coming towards this for this, along with the normal HD8 as well. So do stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. As always, I appreciate you. I hope you have a good one. Goodbye.